We are so glad that you're considering transferring to UNCW and want to provide some next steps in your academic journey. My name is Amber Ferrell, our Program Director for Returning and Transfer Students in the Center for Academic Advising. One of the important first steps to do at UNCW is to review and understand how to navigate your DegreeWorks degree audit. This is your roadmap toward degree completion at UNCW and shows your official evaluation of all of your transfer credit as well as any sort of official test scores or military credit that you may have. It shows you not only transfer credit that you're bringing into UNCW, but also remaining credit towards completing your degree. It's also important to note that if you're a North Carolina community college student who graduated with an associate in arts, associate in science, or other transfer degree, you will receive a university studies waiver, and that will be reflected to your degree audit once your final transcript is submitted. If you have any questions about how transfer credit is reflected on your audit or how it was evaluated, we encourage you to reach out to the registrar's office at transfercredit@uncw.edu. As mentioned, our registrar's office will evaluate credit based on those official transcripts. So we want to make sure that every transcript from each college or university that you've attended is on file and is evaluated. If you did take college classes when you were in high school, it's important to note that your college credit will not be reflected or transferred from your high school transcript. So you will want to request that from your community college. If you are seeing any TIP or transfer in progress credit on your degree audit, that will be removed if we do not receive your final transcript by the first day of classes. So again, just an important reminder to get your final transcript in. If you are a military student, or if you anticipate having any sort of credit from an AP exam, IB exam, or CLEP exam, you want to make sure that those official transcripts or test scores are submitted as well. Math is major dependent and really can be that class that you want to ensure you're taking in your first semester. Math can set you up for success in terms of just ensuring that you're able to declare your major if you have not done so already, or that you're able to take those classes in your major that may have math as a prerequisite. There is a math placement exam that's available, especially if you need a calculus course or a calculus sequence in your major. We encourage you to take the math exam. And you can talk to your advisor if you're not sure about how to access that or questions about if this would benefit you. A popular question from students is how many classes or credits should they take? 14 to 16 credit hours is a good rule of thumb. And more than anything else, we really just encourage you all, especially your first semester, to go easy on yourself. As a transfer student, this is a new experience for you, even though you have transfer credit. Many transfer students report that they just put a lot of pressure on their shoulders and they really feel the need to have it all figured out because they have college credit. There's a lot of resources at UNCW to help with this if you're unsure about your major or career path. So again, we encourage you to just go easy on yourself, enjoy your time at UNCW. Make sure that you know the modality of the course. We offer online, in-person, and hybrid. So you want to make sure that your schedule reflects your learning style and strengths. We encourage you to meet with your academic advisor very early on, within the first 2 to 3 weeks of the semester. There's a lot of great resources on campus, so we encourage you your first semester to learn about different financial aid opportunities, research, advising. There's tutoring, a learning center, lots of great supports. And more than anything, we want you to get connected on campus. We know that sense of belonging is so important for students. So we have welcome weeks that are designed to help you get plugged into campus and know what clubs and resources there are. Uni 201 is our transfer seminar class that's specifically designed with transfer students in mind. It helps you transition to UNCW by learning about different campus resources, helping you explore various majors and career pathways, and helping you get to know other students and different academic strategies and skills. It is a 3-hour course that does meet two different degree requirements: your information literacy and exploration beyond the classroom. You will need to take the class your first semester, and there's options for in person, hybrid, and online formats. A popular question is, when can I expect to graduate? What is my timeline for graduation? You, it's important to know that you'll need 120 total credit hours to finish your degree, and those hours are made up of university studies, which is your general education curriculum, major requirements, and then sometimes minor or elective courses, just depending on if you're interested in a minor or if you need those credit hours to reach the 120 total credits. All of these categories can be shown on your degree audit. So that's the best way to view this information and figure out a pathway to graduation. Again, your academic advisor is a great resource as well. Please reach out to myself or your advisor with any questions. We're happy to help you along your journey.